Working with a website professional is a collaborative experience. If you aren't looking to collaborate, consider trying to build what you need in-house or on your own. The whole reason to hire a professional is to benefit from their creativity and experience in delivering on your vision. In this lesson from our course, Working with a Website Professional, we'll outline the types of website professionals so you are aware of what professional you need.
These days, you have a lot of options to DIY a website, from a website builder like GoDaddy Website Builder to using AI. When you choose not to DIY and work with a website professional, take advantage of the opportunity to collaborate on a human level. Working with a web pro extends beyond just getting a website, but you also get the creativity, insight, and strategy to customize it to your business.
That's right, Emma. And now let's start with understanding the different types of website professionals to help you determine who you need. There are different types of web professionals, different business structures, and different experience levels.
Like the term website professional, which can mean many different roles. There are graphic designers that create logos and a website's look and feel, as well as custom graphics for social media, portfolio pages, you name it. They may not have the skills to code the website, so that would fall on a website developer.
And a website developer will code the design, understand the back-end nature of the code, and create unique functionality that falls outside of a template, a platform, or just a standard install.
A website designer is a person who both designs and builds a website. Most people seek out a website designer to handle all the phases of a website when looking to work with a single person.
Now, a website consultant is someone who creates strategy for a website. They may have a background as a UX UI designer, another web pro role, or they may have a marketing background. A website consultant pays attention to what's required for the website to meet the desired goals.
Then there's the specialist for search engine optimization and copywriting. And we haven't even scratched the surface on online marketing. So Neely, what if you need all of them?
Yeah, well, this is where it helps to understand the business structure of web pros. A web agency is a business structure that will have multiple roles in-house, like a graphic designer, a developer, a marketing strategist, a website consultant, copywriter, and SEO expert. This really keeps you from having to find all those people on your own.
Meanwhile, a freelancer is someone who embodies one or more of these roles as one person. A freelancer is someone who works on their own to design and develop a website and may provide referrals or outsource some of the work to complete the other parts of the job.
Right. And there are pros and cons of both business structures. The upside of working with an agency is that they handle your project from beginning to end. The downside is that they are usually the costlier choice.
The upside of a freelancer is that you can contract with just who you need and manage your budget by completing parts of your project at your own pace, which I love. The downside is that working with one person, if not experienced and trustworthy, may result in missing deadlines and spotty communication. It all depends on experience.